तुम चला ही रहना तुम।
A very good morning to all. On behalf of the management, principal, and staff of Noon International School, I, Standa Kaur,
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम सविता।
extend a hearty welcome to all the parents and students in our orientation program. To begin with, let's offer a prayer to the Almighty for His blessings and benevolence. A humble request to everyone to cover their heads. Today, we all have gathered here to welcome the new students into the folds of Doon community. In order to protect you and your loved ones, the institution continues to prioritize the well-being of its students. Today's online program is a testimony of our commitment to the safety of our students while supporting them as they strive to achieve their goals during these trying times. Let's kick off today's program with a beautiful music number sung by our students, and our music teacher, Mr. Navdeep Atri. Accompanying them on drums is our dance teacher, Mr. Angelo. Thank you so much for this beautiful rendition. Now, I would like to call upon our beloved Principal Mrs. Sheena Sharma to share her precious words with us.
Warm greetings, dear parents. A parent is a teacher at home. A teacher is a parent in school, and the child is the center of universe. It gives me immense joy and a sense of fulfillment to welcome each one of you to this orientation program. Thank you for choosing Doon International School for your talent. We welcome you to the Doon family, which comprises of not only the teachers and the pupil, but also the wonderful parents like you. Our hope is that while your child is with us, he or she will develop into a mature, happy, responsible young adult who is prepared to face the future with confidence. Last year has been tough for all of us, but we should not forget to thank Almighty God for being kind and for keeping us safe and healthy. I strongly believe that every cloud has a silver lining. That is, every difficult or sad situation has a comforting or more hopeful aspect, even though this may not be immediately apparent. Sometimes in life, things don't go as per plan and there is a drastic change, or you can say a challenging situation like these days. But a famous phrase motivates us as it says that the show must go on. We at Doon strongly believe that together we can and together we will. We have proved this statement right by our actions in the previous session. Thank you for accepting us, loving and supporting us in our endeavor to make learning process of your ward enjoyable even in virtual mode during pandemic era. Coming to the Doon ideology, we view education as a holistic development of the child. Emphasis is placed not just on the intellectual development, but also on the pupil's physical, social and spiritual development. Each student is unique individual with special gifts and talents. We hope that with motivation, encouragement and hard work, all our students will discover their individual talents. As we strongly believe that the holistic development of an individual is important, so do we believe that it can only be achieved by the right balance of academic, co-curricular as well as the physical aspects of the curriculum. The right balance of these three things make the Doon curriculum a special and a unique one. Every child is a leader, and leaders are not born, they are created. We are confident that we will be creating such leaders in Gurdaspur in the coming years, as we believe teamwork and healthy competition along with a taste of leadership plays a deciding role in making of a future dynamo. Cultivating a hobby to lighten the stress of competitiveness plays a healthy part in growing years of an individual. So, we have also planned a beautiful array of sing to inculcate a skill which can become synonymous with a particular personality and can leave its indelible mark on the persona. In order to keep up the graph alive and kicking, we have our sports activities planned. We have divided the activities into two categories, that is the sports and the cultural. We also have a systematic stream of inculcating moral values and life skills. Though it is a very planned set of activities for various classes. These are the influential years to a child where he or she catches the good set of norms essential for healthy growth. We equally focus on developing the linguistic skills as well as enriching vocabulary through our language labs and foreign language classes. We are proud of our students and we are sure that they will make a significant contribution to the Doon School, the school which belongs to them now. Success nourishes them. They can because they think they can. At the end of my speech, all I want to say is that the most overwhelming key to a child's success is the positive involvement of parents. Thank you, dear parents, for all your support. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. A school is always a world in miniature, where one receives a training for life, where effective, meaningful, and joyful learning takes place. Though a school can do a lot for a child, it cannot do everything. School education indeed promotes the growth of personality and help to discover and develop the qualities in the child. However, in order to secure all that is best in the education of a child, maximum cooperation between the parents and the school is necessary. In today's orientation program, we will be introducing you all to the important point of parents' contribution and collaboration towards the smooth running of school affairs and unhindered growth of our kids. The integrated curriculum followed at Doon International School is a well-structured, carefully planned, accountable and appropriate curriculum that incorporates the best pedagogic practices, keeping in mind learners' multiple intelligences and learning styles. This curriculum is based on the belief that the child is the curriculum and has been designed after much research and development.
दून इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में अपनाए जाने वाले इंटीग्रेटेड करिकुलम एक अच्छी तरह से सावधानीपूर्वक बनाया गया है, जो विद्यार्थी को ध्यान में रखते हुए शैक्षिक प्रथाओं को शामिल करता है। करिकुलम इस विश्वास पर आधारित है कि बच्चा ही पाठ्यक्रम है। इसे बहुत ही शोध के बाद निर्मित किया गया है।
Our goal is to help each child realize his or her potential as we cater to all children. And we prepare them for 2030 with skills and high order thinking skills. We are a knowledge partner who can enrich our teaching learning process. Doon International School focuses on modern cumulative teaching learning methods and completely discourages traditional rote learning and copying methods. Our learning method encourages our students to understand concepts, students to write and explain in their own words, students to work independently, practical work followed by questioning and reasoning, students can speak better English, students perform better on analytical and reasoning based tests.
छात्र संकल्पनाओं और विचारों को समझते हैं। छात्र अपने शब्दों में लिखते हैं और समझते हैं, ना कि नकल को कर लेते हैं। छात्र स्वतंत्र रूप से कार्य करते हैं। छात्र पूछताछ और तर्क के बाद व्यवहारिक कार्य करते हैं। छात्र बेहतर अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं, तर्क आधारित परिशिक्षणों पर प्रदर्शित करते हैं।
We will be starting the virtual online classes for the new academic session 2021 and 22 with the effect from Wednesday 7th April 2021 through Zoom Cloud meetings. You are requested to download the Zoom app on your mobile, laptop and desktop.
हमारे नए सत्र के लिए बुधवार से प्रभावी ऑनलाइन कक्षाएं शुरू करेंगे। आपसे अनुरोध है कि आप अपने मोबाइल, लैपटॉप, डेस्कटॉप पर Zoom ऐप डाउनलोड करें।
For the smooth and unhindered running of online classes, students need to follow a strict protocol. Learners should be ready for his or her online class well in time and sit in a quiet place without any distraction and disturbance. Ensure that the learner is properly and decently dressed and is sitting with one family member if required. Be punctual and disciplined if you want to truly gain from the online classes.
शिक्षार्थी समय से पहले अपनी ऑनलाइन कक्षाओं के लिए तैयार हो जाए, बिना किसी व्याकुलता और गड़बड़ी के साथ एक शांत जगह पर बैठ जाए। सुनिश्चित करें कि शिक्षार्थी ठीक से और शालीनता कपड़े पहने हुए हो और आवश्यकता पड़ने पर परिवार का एक सदस्य उनके पास अवश्य बैठा हुआ हो। यदि आप वास्तव में ऑनलाइन कक्षाओं से लाभ प्राप्त करना चाहते हो तो समय के पाबंद बने और अनुशासित रहें।
The learner should use a pair of earphones connected to his or her device for good voice quality. Be well prepared for the class. Keep the books, notebooks, stationery and other material at hand before beginning the class. Check the internet connection well in time before the session begins.
सीखने वाले को अच्छी गुणवत्ता के लिए आवाज की अच्छी गुणवत्ता के लिए डिवाइस से जुड़े ईयरफोन का प्रयोग करना चाहिए। कक्षा के लिए अच्छी तरह से तैयार रहें। कक्षा शुरू करने से पहले किताबें, नोटबुक, स्टेशनरी, अन्य सामग्री अपने पास रखें। सत्र शुरू होने से पहले ही इंटरनेट कनेक्शन की अच्छी तरह से जांच कर लें।
The learner should join the online session on time and be regular. The learner should attend all the classes that have been scheduled for him or her. In case you are not able to log in, be patient and try again. Do not call up the teacher in between the session. You can send a message regarding the same on school bag.
सीखने वाले को उस सभी कक्षाओं में भाग लेना आवश्यक है जो उनके लिए निर्धारित की गई है। यदि आप लॉगिन नहीं कर पा रहे तो धैर्य रखें और फिर से प्रयास करें। सत्र के बीच शिक्षक को फोन ना करें। आप स्कूल बैग पर उस संबंधी संदेश भेज सकते हैं।
Do not eat during the session. Use the washroom only during the 10 minutes break time which is allotted after every class. Always keep yourself on mute during the session so as to avoid disturbing the entire class with background noises. Only switch on the mic while asking a question in the last 10 minutes of the online session.
सत्र के दौरान ना खाएं। सत्र के दौरान 10 मिनट का ब्रेक टाइम जो आपको अलॉट किया गया है उसी समय शौचालय का प्रयोग करें। खुद को हमेशा म्यूट रखें क्योंकि पीछे का शोर पूरी कक्षाओं में शोर उत्पन्न कर सकता है। ऑनलाइन कक्षा के अंतिम 10 मिनट पर माइक ऑन करें ताकि आप प्रश्न पूछ सकें।
Ask your child to nod his or her head if he or she understands what is being taught. In case he or she is unable to understand, ask him to raise his or her hand to ask a question and wait for the teacher to reply. Please understand that the teacher needs to log in for the next session to teach the next section. So do not prolong the session. You can ask pending queries during the next session with the teacher.
आप अपने बच्चे को सिर हिलाने के लिए कह सकते हैं यदि उसे समझ आता है या नहीं आता। सवाल पूछने के लिए आप उसे आगे से हाथ बढ़ाने के लिए कहें और शिक्षक के जवाब की प्रतीक्षा करें। कृपया यह समझ लें कि सेशन ज्यादा लंबा नहीं हो सकता, इसलिए शिक्षक को ज्यादा परेशान न करें क्योंकि उन्होंने अन्य क्लास के लिए भी लॉगिन करना होता है। सत्र को ज्यादा लंबा ना कीजिए पर शिक्षक अगले सत्र के दौरान आप उनसे लंबित प्रश्न पूछ सकते हैं।
Maintain decorum and be mindful that you do not interrupt others when they are speaking. Give equal opportunity to all. Please do not phone teachers at odd hours. In case there is anything important, please drop a message for the teacher. She will revert back. It is difficult for the teacher to attend numerous calls throughout the day.
सज्जा को बनाए रखें और इस बात का ध्यान रखें कि जब आप बोल रहे हो तो दूसरे को बाधित ना करें। सभी को समान अवसर दें। कृपया शिक्षक को विषम समय पर फोन ना करें। यदि कोई महत्वपूर्ण बात है तो कृपया शिक्षक के समय के लिए संदेश छोड़ दें। जब वे वापस लौटेंगी तो उसका जवाब आपको अवश्य देंगे। पूरे दिन में कई कॉल्स अटेंड करना शिक्षक के लिए मुश्किल होता है।
If any child is found disturbing the class, he or she will be removed from the class and would not be allowed to attend the next class for the subject. It is for the benefit of all that decorum of the class is maintained at all times. The child must not share his or her screen unnecessarily to distract the teacher and upset the proceedings of the class. Any such incident will call for stern disciplinary action against the child.
यदि कोई बच्चा कक्षा में गड़बड़ी करता हुआ पाया जाता है तो उसे कक्षा में से हटा दिया जाएगा। उसे विषय के लिए अगली कक्षा में शामिल होने की अनुमति नहीं दी जाएगी। यह सभी के लिए लाभदायक है और वर्ग की सजावट के लिए बहुत ही लाभप्रद है। बच्चे को शिक्षक को विचलित करने और कक्षा की कार्रवाई को परेशान करने के लिए अपनी स्क्रीन पर अनावश्यक रूप से साझा नहीं करना चाहिए। यदि ऐसी कोई घटना पाई जाती है तो उस विद्यार्थी के खिलाफ कड़ी कार्रवाई की जाए।
At this point of time, none of us has a clear idea as to when the schools would reopen and function. Hence, it is important for all the students to attend the online classes regularly. The role of parents also becomes quite dominant and crucial at this point of time in their child's learning. Hence, we request all the parents to closely observe their wards while they are attending the class.
इस समय हम में से किसी के पास भी स्पष्ट विचार नहीं है कि स्कूल फिर से कब खुलेंगे और कार्य करेंगे। इसलिए सभी छात्रों के लिए नियमित रूप से ऑनलाइन कक्षाओं में भाग लेना बहुत ही आवश्यक है। माता पिता की भूमिका इस समय बच्चों के प्रति और ज्यादा बढ़ जाती है। इसलिए हम सभी माता पिता से अनुरोध करते हैं कि वह कक्षाओं में भाग लेने के दौरान अपने वार्ड का अच्छी तरह से निरीक्षण करें।
Home assignments are given to students to reinforce the learning at school. So, parents must ensure that their ward should do regular homework and neatly.
स्कूल में सीखने के लिए छात्रों को होम असाइनमेंट दिए जाते हैं। माता पिता को यह सुनिश्चित करना होगा कि उनका वार्ड गृह कार्य नियमित और साफ स्पष्ट रूप से करे।
The scholastic category includes subjects mathematics, science, social science, 3 languages, and 1 additional language that is French from grade 1.
स्कोलास्टिक श्रेणी में मैथ, साइंस, सोशल साइंस, 3 भाषाएं और 1 ग्रेड के अतिरिक्त फ्रेंच भाषा भी शामिल है।
In co-scholastic activities, we have art, music, dance, moral science, Wordsworth language lab.
स्कूल में शैक्षिक करिकुलम के साथ-साथ गतिविधियां भी शामिल हैं ताकि छात्रों में विषयों के साथ-साथ कौशल भी विकसित हो सके। निम्न विषय इस क्षेत्र में शामिल हैं जैसे आर्ट, म्यूजिक, डांस, मोरल साइंस और वर्डवर्थ लैंग्वेज लैब।
The all-inclusive sports curriculum is designed to develop skills like strength, speed, endurance, agility, and flexibility. Doon International School, Gurdaspur takes pride as the only school in its area to provide international standard synthetic courts for games like basketball, handball, lawn tennis, badminton, and cricket net practice.
पाठ्यक्रम में सम्मिलित सभी खेलों को ताकत, गति, धीरज और लचीलेपन जैसे कौशल विकसित करने के लिए डिजाइन किया गया है। DIS गुरदासपुर बास्केटबॉल, हैंडबॉल, लॉन टेनिस, बैडमिंटन, क्रिकेट नेट अभ्यास जैसे खेलों के लिए अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मानक सिंथेटिक कोर्ट प्रदान करने में अपने क्षेत्र में एकमात्र स्कूल के रूप में गर्व महसूस करता है।
For indoor games, we have 10-meter shooting range, air hockey, table tennis, billiards. And all these games will be taught by NIS trained coaches.
इंडोर खेलों के लिए हमारे पास 10 मीटर शूटिंग रेंज, एयर हॉकी, टेबल टेनिस, बिलियर्ड है। इन सभी खेलों को NIS प्रशिक्षित कोचों द्वारा सिखाया जाएगा।
Attendance is must, so regular attendance is essential for the success of your ward.
सफलता प्राप्त करने के लिए कक्षाओं में नियमित उपस्थिति आवश्यक है।
The timings for the online classes will be intimated soon. For nursery class, we will be having 2 classes per day, one in the morning and one in the evening. For KG classes, there will be 3 classes per day, 2 in the morning and 1 in the evening. For 1 to 3, we will be having 4 classes, 3 subject classes plus 1 activity class. And for 4th and above, we will be having 5 classes, 4 subject classes and 1 activity class. To stay updated with the school related information, weekly assignments, circulars, exam timetable and school activities, please download Doon International School Gurdaspur's mobile app. You can download the app for free by searching for Doon International School Gurdaspur on your Android Play Store and iOS App Store. You can also use the web portal at disgurdaspur.schoolpad.in, and to log in with, you should use username with capital P followed by the admission number of your child. I repeat, it is capital P followed by the admission number of your child, and password by default is schoolpad.
स्कूल से संबंधित जानकारी, साप्ताहिक मूल्यांकन, परिपत्र, परीक्षा समय यानी कि टाइम टेबल और स्कूल की गतिविधियों से अपडेट रहने के लिए अपने एंड्रॉइड प्ले स्टोर और iOS ऐप स्टोर में दून इंटरनेशनल स्कूल ऐप को डाउनलोड करें। आपका जो उपयोगकर्ता नाम कैपिटल P XXX रहेगा, पासवर्ड स्कूल पैड रहेगा। कृपया यहाँ नोट करें, जो XXX है वो एडमिशन नंबर ही रहेगा।
In case of any difficulty in fees accounts, you can call on our official number, as well as you can mail us. And for regular updates and photographs of school activities, you can follow us on our Facebook page. Moving ahead, the school has a comprehensive team of highly qualified, competent and dedicated teachers. Each teacher is an institution in itself and best in their area of expertise. Now I would like to invite our pre-primary wing teachers on the stage. So we have Ms. Ramandeep Kaur as an academic coordinator, Ms. Anu Kajal as an activity coordinator, and rest of the team includes Ms. Ritu, Ms. Rajni Bala, Ms. Payal. Now I would like to call upon stage the class and subject teachers of class 1 and above. For class 1, we have Ms. Anku Minya and Ms. Kanchan Devi. For class 2, we have Ms. Savita and Ms. Richa. For class 3, we have Ms. Sona Mahajan. For class 4, we have Ms. Shilpa Sharma. For class 5, we have Ms. Tamanna. For class 6, we have Mr. Gaurav. For class 7, it's me. Class 7 will be headed by me, Standar Kaur. For class 8, we have Ms. Amandeep Kaur. For math subject, we have Mr. Mandeep Sharma. For Punjabi, we have Ms. Navpreet Kaur. Our IT cell has Ms. Talvinder Kaur and Ms. Mandeep Kaur. Our examination cell will be headed by Ms. Karandeep Walia. For library, we have Mr. Dharmendra Bhatt. In scholastic activities, the sports will be looked after by Ms. Nidhi Sharma. Art and craft will be handled by Ms. Navpreet Kaur and Ms. Anuradha. Dance classes will be conducted by Mr. Angelo. For French language classes, we have Mr. Pankaj Sharma. And for music, we have Mr. Navdeep Atri. Thank you so much, teachers. Dear parents and students, we are the supreme creatures of God, but we destroy with what we are blessed with. We are the ones who can either make this world beautiful and peaceful place or the worst place. DIS urges all to get united and work for the betterment of this beautiful world. Let's pray for the betterment and hope for the best academic year. At the end, DIS wants to extend our heartfelt gratitude to all the parents for taking out time to be part of this orientation program. Thank you.